Calvin, the interior designer with the Savon Company, and we are here today. We're doing another Airbnb. But anyway, we're down here. Our favorite place to shop, IKEA, especially for Airbnbs, because you can get a bulk of, a lot of stuff for a very good price. So as you see, I come in here and get the towels and sheets because the tip number one with Airbnbs, you guys, is that everything needs to be white so that you can wash them. So that you can bleach it and wash it. You do not want colored sheets and colored stuff where when it gets dingy you can't tell, and it's like you can't rub out a stain when it's a dark fabric so it looks like it's stained, and people don't want to sleep on that or stay on that, So I always tell my clients and stuff to go white with everything. So I'm kind of stacking up here. Just did a little quick buy for a client. We're about to do a couple of her properties into an Airbnb, so we'll see how things work out. But I just wanted to show you guys, so when I do Airbnbs, I do take advantage of IKEA. And IKEA, I don't know if they're everywhere, but they're in the United States. There's one here in Georgia. So they're really cool when it comes to pricing and stuff like that, and you can get a bulk of things. By the way, you guys, one of our Airbnbs, they loved it so much that Airbnb sent out a photographer to actually take a photo of our space so that they can put it on Airbnb Plus. Now, Airbnb Plus is when your home has been verified, meaning that one of their reps have come in, so everything that you say you have in the house. So they don't have to worry about, does it have a good speed of internet, or does it have a... So it's kind of for when individuals that don't want to worry about when they're selecting an Airbnb or take the chance, you look for an Airbnb Plus. Just learn this, you guys. So our last Airbnb, the first Airbnb that we did, the guys are like, you must have done Airbnbs before, or you must have got a hold of our list on things to have. And I was like, sir, this is my first time doing an Airbnb. I just thought about what I would want when I'm in, if I was staying at home somewhere. And then I thought about, what a visitor would want if they're staying in a hotel. So, like plush towels and stuff like that. And so our client on our last Airbnb, she's so customer focused and driven in her regular job that it carried over in their into the Airbnb, and so they actually already made Superhost. So it's Airbnbs are cool. They're good ways to go. I'm telling you, for the Super Bowl, like a 2-bedroom is running around $2,000 to $3,000 per month. A 4-bedroom is running around $5,000 to $7,000 per month. So a lot of people are getting these Airbnbs, and they're trying to fix them up and stuff for the Super Bowl that's coming here in February. Which, I mean, it's a great time if you can find a property, but again, it is about location. But during Super Bowl, they're saying that people will stay as far out as Fayetteville and, as far up as Canton to come down for the Super Bowl, just so they have a place in town if all the hotels run out. Because we only have a certain amount of hotels room here in Georgia. And so I just wanted to just give you guys a quick tip. So for those of you who are designing Airbnbs or thinking about doing an Airbnb, contact a designer. It doesn't matter who. It doesn't have to be me, and let them help you so they can make it the best, and you can get the most out of your money. And, things look great and they're balanced, and, they have a nice little function and flow to them. So they can take some small spaces and make them into something really great for you. So you may be hit with a small Airbnb, 2-bedroom something, and you don't know what to do with a little nook. So hire a designer for that. I would just recommend, because we do it for a living. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. So on to the next project. Have a great evening. It's raining here in Georgia.